Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can hide shortcuts in Google Chrome. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is go right down Chrome to customize, and then you're gonna see the shortcuts here, right? You click on it, and then you're gonna see hide shortcuts, and you just want to click on OK, like you want to hide it, and voila, here we get like perfect clean Google Chrome website. So yeah, and you just write here what you want. So again, to repeat this tutorial, go to customize, then just click here to shortcuts and hide shortcuts. And voila, you got it. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and stuff like that. You know how it goes, you know how it works. And have a great day and goodbye.